This is a guitar lesson on how to play Wonder by Shawn Mendes. I wonder if I'm being real. Do I speak my truth or do I filter how I feel? I wonder, wouldn't it be nice? If you want to keep up to date for all the latest lesson releases, or if you have any requests on techniques or anything like that, just post a comment below and remember to hit subscribe. Let's get into the lesson. Alright, so let's take a look. First of all, you're going to need a capo on the 2nd fret. The second thing I'll draw your attention to is below. As you can see, the 4 chords are D, E minor, B minor, and G. Those are the 4 key chords. There is a G minor stuck in this as well, just on one small part. So that's written there as well, which we'll get into in a short while. So the first thing we're going to do is cover the rhythm. Now you're going to see the D's there under the rhythm bracket are for down, the U's are for up. So I'll play it once. It goes down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Okay, and basically if you want to, let's say you want to get the flow of that rhythm, it's going pear, apple, pear, apple, apple, pear, pear. Now, you see that I'll play the chords first of all on the first 4. So from the intro it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Then E minor. Then B minor. Then G. So the rhythm is split at that point. We're going to give half the rhythm to G. So we're going down, down, up, down, down, up. Now finally then, for G minor, we go down, up, down, down. Now let's get on to this G minor second. So you can see the chord diagram there. We put our index finger across all of the strings, and that's on the 3rd fret up from the capo. Then you get your ring finger here on the A string, and you pinky underneath that. Now if you want a closer look, I'll just zoom in. Alright, so this is what we get. That's how it looks. And a tip for that is if you get your middle finger and just place extra weight on your index, that'll definitely help as well. Okay, so now looking at it so far, we have the rhythm. We have talked about our G minor bar chord, which only appears in that intro. And then after that, it won't appear until the end of the chorus. So I'll just sing and play the verse so you get a feel for it. Now, I don't have all the singing yet, but anyways, you'll get the idea. So I go 1, 2, 3. I wonder if I'm being real. Do I do 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 do? I wonder, wouldn't it be nice to live inside a world that isn't black and white? So that goes around again. I wonder. Then the chorus goes, just keep an eye, it'll be the same chords, just keep an eye out for that G minor, very like the intro. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, right before I close my eyes, and so on. Then and that is the whole song. Now, just to let you know, there's a free download with this if you want to get the chords and the lyrics together. Now, somebody else created them, so as you can see, it'll be from Ultimate Guitar, but I've proofed the whole lot. So if you're looking to sing and play this, and you want free access to that library, along with some other Shawn Mendes songs, you'll find the link will pop up above, and it's available in the description below. So those are all the chords of how to play Wonder by Shawn Mendes. If you want to keep up to date, like I said, just hit subscribe below and let me know what other Shawn Mendes songs do you like to play on guitar. Just post a comment below. Thanks for watching. Catch you soon.